I had been in the downtown area of one of the most dangerous cities in the world, but I had not seen anything dangerous during my time there. Today was my very last day, and I was about to head out for new adventures. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I'm actually here in Acapulco still, in the southwest part of Mexico. I'm gonna head out to the pool real quick and jump in, and then I'm gonna take the bus and head up the coast to another city called Zihuatanejo. It's another beautiful day with only sunshine. I really enjoy this view actually, it's so nice. So first jump in and then head to the bus station, and that will be the end of Acapulco. It will be a quick frying session here before we go inside. I'm packing my bag again, and I had this feeling for some reason, like sometimes I wonder why I just need to travel around and go all the time. Why I can't just stay like most other people, stay in one place and just live a peaceful life. Why do I have to go around all the time? But I guess maybe I feel a sense of urgency to do something before I get too old. I'm afraid to wake up when I'm maybe 40 or 50 and then I just didn't go anywhere, I didn't see the world. I think that's why maybe I traveled around so much, so that when I'm a bit older I won't feel like, oh, I didn't do anything. I can actually then sit back and maybe relax a bit. The bag is packed, my friends, so let's go. It's a bit heavier, I don't know why, it just didn't used to be this big. I need to throw something away. Some shirts maybe. I actually don't have many shirts, but something needs to go. I'm here now on the street of Acapulco, so I'm gonna catch a taxi over to the bus station and then take the bus from there to another town called Zihuatanejo along the coast here. I was on my way across the hotel zone, but the taxi driver had stopped after 5 minutes and then asked for twice as much money to drive me the whole way to the bus station. I'm here at the bus station and I told the taxi driver I'm going to Terminal de Autobuses, and he drove me like 5 minutes first, and then he stopped and said, "It's here, it's the bus station." I said, "No, I told you Terminal de Autobuses." And then he had to drive me another 5 minutes, and he wanted twice as much as what we agreed on. I feel like they try to always take the chance to get more money from you, but it's happened to me a couple of times now. I'm about to get on the bus here in 5 minutes. I got on a bus that would take me 5 hours further up north in the west part of Mexico and in to the town of Zihuatanejo. I was a bit tired since I had stayed up till 3 in the morning the night before, and I could feel that I didn't have the usual energy that I have. I had not booked a place to stay, but also figured that out on the bus. We passed by the mountain range that stretches for almost all of the southwestern and western part of Mexico, and also some really nice landscapes and beaches. My plan was to travel up along the west coast of Mexico, and I had almost made it half of the way of the west side. It's been more than 4 hours on this bus. I had paid 400 pesos or $20 US for the bus ride. Now I'm finally here at the bus station in Zihuatanejo. Took about 5 hours actually, so I'm gonna head down to the beach where I'm gonna be staying in this hotel. So we're gonna walk about 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers. It seems to be a much smaller town here. It's much nicer actually in smaller towns, not so much stress. I was on my way from the bus station down to the beach area and through this town that had a population of 100,000 people. And also some really incredible beaches and mountains. This is considered to be an exclusive vacation destination. A lot of people from Mexico City and Guadalajara, which are two of the main cities in the mainland of Mexico, come here for vacation. I had almost arrived at the hotel and the sun was about to set. So here is the hotel where I'm gonna be staying. I came in here to this hotel room, 500 pesos per night, 25 US dollars. It's pretty nice actually for 25 US dollars, and also close to the beach. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you actually a bit more of this area because the sun is already about to go down. But I'm gonna go for a quick walk down to the beach. First we have to try the bounce here, of course, in the bed, see if the bed is good. It's alright, it's not bad actually, but it's really soft. The bed was really good and I couldn't hear any noises. You can tell that the bed is bad if you hear weird noises when you bounce on it. It was a really nice hotel for 25 US dollars and also a swimming pool right outside. So let's go and check out the beach area. I could only stay here for one night actually. It was fully booked, so I have to move tomorrow, unfortunately. I'm coming out to the beach here and there are a lot of people here swimming. The sun is about to go down behind the mountains. But still so many people here, so we're gonna see what it looks like from above. It was a really cool view to see this town at night, and it looked like there was some fog over the town. I don't know what to do, so I think I might just head back. The beach is nice and the landscapes are nice. The mountains are all around this town here. Kind of like all the other towns I've been to here in Mexico. Really nice with all the mountains around. I actually did not film much today and no pool tricks either. There were too many people down there the whole time. And now it's dark and deep in the night. But tomorrow, hopefully we can perform some pool tricks and I will also show you this town. The next day I have to go actually. I stayed in this really nice hotel room here. This was one of the nicer ones I've had actually. Or like for this price, 25 US dollars per night. But I have to go now unfortunately because it's fully booked. So this is actually what's a bit annoying about traveling when you have to move around all the time. I wanted to stay here for a few days but it ended up being fully booked, so I packed my bag again and now I need to find a place to stay. Hopefully I can book a couple of days there. It's really nice when we have a place for a few days at least, so you don't need to pack every day and go. But I'm really excited to go and film more here. I'm about to perform a really dangerous pool trick here, but we have some people. We have two people here. One lady cleaning the rooms up there and another one over there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up there. We had some pool trick blockers here, but we could not let that stop us. So it was time to head up to the second floor and perform the pool trick of the day. Been completed. Ooh, tricks. Now my friends, I am ready to go again and we're gonna buy maybe a Coca-Cola to celebrate that the pool trick session has been completed. But let's go And then I'm also gonna show you much more of this town of Zihuatanejo. Let's go, my friends. The weather is a complete great success here, actually. Very, very perfect. We have some deep frying today. Not a single cloud in the sky. Life is great. So I'm on my way now to the next hotel. There's not gonna be a swimming pool there, unfortunately. The next video will be of all of the town and the surrounding areas of Zihuatanejo. As always, my friends, thank you very, very much for watching this video. Please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I want to reach 100,000 subscribers. So if you want to help out, then I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you also for watching, and see you next time. Also, if you want to support my video making, you can buy some pool trick t-shirts by going to the description of this video or below this video. Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.